Attention North Huron Fire, attention North Huron Fire. Please respond at Sacred Heart School for a general fire alarm going off. Alarm company's called in. Again, that's a general fire alarm at Sacred Heart School, 225 Cornan Street. Attention North Huron Fire, attention North Huron Fire. Please respond general fire alarm at Sacred Heart High School. Again, that's at Sacred Heart High School. General fire alarm called in by the alarm company.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 3. Page acknowledged. Yeah, okay, roger that.
And North Huron Fire, they've just called back to cancel. Principal on scene says a student pulled the alarm. There's no issues there. And again, false alarm.
Fire dispatch, Car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
Yeah, we received your cancellation. I'll just stop by to verify.
Roger, thank you. Car 3, received cancellation. You'll attend just to verify.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Car 3.
Car 3, go ahead.
I met with the principal at the school. Turns out just to be a little kindergarten kid having fun.
10-4.